Yo, what's up everyone? Lightning Bolt Master Gaming here, and today I'm on a hike with basically 5-6 other classes, because well, day trips be like this. So let's show you around. Perfect view, by the way, by me. Look at all this. Look at this. Let me show this. Look at this, you know. I'm good at this. This is actually incredible. Look at this path. Yo, you want to be in my YouTube video?
No, I'm good.
Okay, then stay out of the video.
I mean, I don't mind, but I
You go over to the
Okay.
right-hand side, please.
You on this side?
Go, you guys go first.
So yeah, you know,
No way.
doggies. Oh man, this is actually really nice. Woo! Having quite a bit of fun here. Now, I think I'm gonna skip ahead to when I get to something really cool. Okay, that's pretty cool right there. Look at all that. Look at all of that. That's nice.
With my little eye, something that is black.
Look at all of that. That's nice stuff.
So racist.
Yo, look at all of this. Ooh, there's something over there.
I spy with my little eye, something that is
Oh,
the size.
look at all of that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, look at all of that. It's a nature walk. This is a nature walk for all of you. You don't get out in nature. You all lazy butts. Y'all lazy butts. Y'all lazy butts if you don't get in nature. I get in nature right now. I grammar good. Me grammar gooder than grammar gooder. Grammar. Stop. Don't try it, man. Yeah, me grammar good. This is actually pretty nice, you know. And if Pokemon Go wasn't dead, this would be a pretty cool place to play. Yeah, pretty nice. It was either this or back. I chose this. This place is nice. And then, in the future, might do a video while bowling. You know, could be pretty nice. You know. Whoa, don't fall. That's a bad thing. And again, skip when I find something cool. Didn't take long again. Boom. Nice. All that. All of that. Oh, look at this. We're going up to a shack for maple syrup. Woo! Look at it. That's nice. Exit only, please. Look at that. It's nice, you know. It's nice. It's so nice. This is actually beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. This is nature. Look at this. Nature. Oh man, this is a steep hill. I'm talking to my viewers. And as my sister would say, it's so thick. Woo! Oh, look at that. That's so good. I'm so good at camera manning. Yeah, I'm good. I don't know how long this video should be. Okay. I don't want it to be too long. Again, I want to capture as much of this as possible. So nice, you know?
Don't do that.
Fall.
Ah.
Recommend sliding.
Not funny. Not funny.
So that way you can stand up again.
Yeah, not recommended.
I would recommend
I just realized something. If we end up having to go back the same way we came, it's going to be so much more painful.
maybe do the first off. Who knows?
Ha!
Sign.
A sign. Woo! Yo, don't get lazy now. Don't get lazy.
Hardhead.
Oh,
Birds. Miss Birds.
Woodpeckers.
oh, it's a woodpecker. Where? There's no wood. Of course, there's no woodpeckers. Of course, there's no woodpeckers.
You still going right now?
Of course, no woodpeckers. No nothing. So far, all I've showed you all is like trees and grass and logs and stuff. No animals. This is a nature walk. To be honest, on nature walks, you have to at least come across one animal.